on private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
Start in.
Yeah.
Get it. Hey. Okay, come on, let's go. Gotta get ready. Thank you. Doing too much. Okay, hold on. You get the book bag. Stay right there. Come on.
Now I'm ready.
Can you pull out my hoodie? Can you pull it out? Pull out my hoodie. Just pull it out. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Need help?
No, thank you. I got it.
Mommy, I love my hat.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My baby's going to school. Oh, I'm so proud of her. So did y'all see her dancing? Oh my goodness, check out the effects. She was on fire. That's why I did that. How cute was those effects? I love it. But we got to get our fruit snacks. She got to have fruit snacks in the car. She got a banana. She got everything in her book bag. So let me give y'all a little intro. I did like, hey Duncan. I did like a little intro video, so I'm gonna insert that in a second. Here are the Paw Patrol, you know, fruit snacks. She gotta have it. Yeah, she love it. And she take one for her best friend too at school.
Donuts, how may I help you?
Hi honey, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Can I get a small matcha, iced matcha with...
Small ice matcha latte.
Yeah, I think so. The cold one. Can I get it with some vanilla flavor? Like some
French vanilla flavor?
Yes, please.
Anything else, ma'am? Okay, ma'am.
Coconut
Anything
milk.
else?
No, I think that's it. I think that's it.
Anything else, ma'am?
No, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am. We can pull it.
Okay, thank you. I don't know what it comes with. That's what I was trying to find out. Like, what does it come with? I'm so not used to ordering this, but you know, I can't have coffee, so it's so weird. And I'm trying to figure out, like, what does it come with? How are you? Thank you, my love. Oh, can I have the tall straw? You have the long one, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This is my first matcha latte to get by myself. How does it look? We're going to try it out because I don't know. Hey, Duncan. You already know I don't hold cold drinks. I don't care. I'm bougie and I have accepted it. Okay. This street is so crazy. It's like the worst place to have a Dunkin'. Like, it's crazy. Cheers. It's actually good. All right, guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I forgot my tripod. We are running around again. I hope y'all liked the video yesterday, Christmas shopping. I'm about to go do another video. You feel me? So today I have a lot of business to do. I have to go speak to my lawyers. I have to go collect some paperwork. Ain't no way you could park. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. All these cars parked here. Like, what? I don't know if I can let y'all see it. Let me see. See? Look, where you gonna park at? I hate the camera to be so close to me. But anyway, so today, basically, we are going to run around again and get prepared for my big event. I have a big event coming up. So I have a pop-up shop, and I had my first one with Nova's Kitchen with my Caribbean green seasoning in PA, in Hanover, Pennsylvania. And now we are in another state. So y'all already know we gonna be doing it in Virginia. Hey, so my VA people, I'm about to get my flyers and I have to get all my stuff ready. So that's what I'm doing. It's a lot. When you are entrepreneur, I almost said it wrong. You got to do a lot, especially being a single mom. Like, this is crazy. This is not what I expected because I was married twice, but obviously it didn't work out because I was still going through my narcissist, empath, whatever stages, and I had to heal. So now, because I have healed, I closed that out. Now I could get my counterpart. Well, now I have him. I mean, not my bag. I just don't want him on the World Wide Web. I don't care. He is on the web. Y'all have seen him, but y'all just don't know we together. I know. That's cool, though. I like that. I want to keep my business private because I don't want nosy energy vampires trying to ruin it. Because everybody be jealous. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. So, I wanted, when I was 18 and I got married at 20, right? My first marriage, I wanted to basically be married with children. I had like 3 miscarriages in that marriage, so he took life from me, and obviously it didn't wake me up to see that he wasn't for me, right? Oh Lord have mercy. Lord Jesus Christ. So now I'm doing it alone, but this is what God wanted me to do. He wanted me to see, blah, blah, blah. So I'm doing it. I'm not complaining. So here I am. So hey guys, welcome to my new subscribers. I want to welcome y'all and thank y'all. I want to thank everybody. I'm forever grateful to all my subscribers and all my fans that truly love and appreciate us. And thank you for watching us and supporting us on our channel. Thank you. Oh, thank you to whoever sent that Cash App to me. It was $100. So if you know, I bought my daughter her coat, and you saw in the video that I bought her coat. I bought her that BB pink coat. So thank you. Thank you. So if y'all don't know, that's how you say thank you in sign language. But thank you so much. I appreciate everything, all the help. And if you want to support my channel, the link and the information is in my bio for my Cash App. I don't know where I'm gonna park. So thank y'all again. I appreciate everything. You don't have to. Just being here and clicking that like button, click. That's all that matters. Okay, that's support enough. So I'm not asking nobody for money. I never do. So people that know me know I don't ask for no hand-me-downs. Sorry. That's why God has provided for me and my family. So, all right, we're going to get right into it. I don't want to be rambling too much. I don't like it. I might do some voiceovers. And I'm trying. If any of you know, let me know what app I could use. Because I watch a lot of YouTubers and they don't talk. They don't answer back my messages. I've been DMing them and asking them what app do they use for their music that is not copywritten. And it's so rude that they don't answer me back. Like, they claim they all about their supporters and all about they, subscribers, but they don't answer me back. Like, hello, all I'm asking is what app do you use? I mean, is it a secret? So if I use music that has a copyright, I won't get paid for the video. So don't you want to get paid? Why would I want to strike or not get paid for doing a video? I edit my videos. I post my videos by myself. I do everything by myself. I mean, come on now. I don't have a videographer. Like, come on. I ain't famous yet, right? 7-Eleven. Shout out to 7-Eleven. But anyway, guys, let's swipe. Okay, so this is a little slanted. I don't know. Y'all gotta pardon me, but look, I just got the matcha, right? How cute is this? It's from Temu. It was only like 52 cents or something like that. What? As your girl grow, I'm telling you, I'm about to get the real one. So I watch Kyra. Hey Kyra, hey girl. So I watch her and she got the big ones, like the big balls. I don't know, but anyway, as you know, hey Duncan, plop. I got the matcha, right? We about to, does anyone else do this? I need to refresh my drink. Yes. So I got my ice cubes. I just went home. I got the Dunkin'. And we about to put these, it needs to be refreshed. But as you know, I don't hold cold things. I don't do that. So let's advertise, because you know Dunkin' is my sponsor, right? Hey Dunkin', thanks for sponsoring my video. Oh my goodness, I have arrived, honey. I got a sponsor. Aren't y'all happy for me? Look at this. We got twins. I'm having twins. I know. That's my big news. I'm having twins, guys. All right. Twin ices. For all y'all nosy people. Okay. So we're going to just put this in here. I just had to interrupt y'all fun video for a second and ask if anyone does this. I like how y'all don't be answering me though. I say, does anyone do this? Does anyone donate? Does anyone cook like this? Does anyone? Nobody answers me back except like 2 people. But thank you for answering me back. I just want to let y'all know. Here go my whipped cream. I think this is the one Dunkin' use. Because you know they don't use like the Cool Whip or whatever the name brand is. So we just going. Let's put this in here. We just going to swirl it up. This is what I do. I don't care. Because I'm not going to go back and pay money and I already have everything at home. I'm not going to do that. You see that? How I did that? Yeah. Put this back on top. And what does it look like? A whole new drink. Thank you. Cheers. I hope the video not slanted, but if it's slanted, guys, I will fix it. I'm in my truck. That's all the stuff I have in the front. Okay, see? All right, now back to your video. Swipe.
Now serving ticket number R261 at window number 5. Now serving ticket number 8.
Okay, so she loves these right here. Yeah, she loves these. And these. I'm gonna make her a cake and get this. How pretty. So cute, right? She would love this. Look at this. What's this? Bootleg marshmallows. I'm a Family Dollar. The bomb. But mama gonna get her something. Do y'all eat this? This the new thing. Don't mind my fingernail. It keeps coming on. Oh, this. Y'all eat this? It's so good. Oh my god, y'all gotta try it. So good. What is this? I love me some chocolate. Oh my god, chocolate vanilla. Ooh, honey. Blue Bunny is really good. $4.25, really good. I don't like this. I never like Ben & Jerry's. This is disgusting. But this, honey, I don't like. Ugh, I don't like that. This is it right here. That's what I'm getting. I don't care. That's what I want, and that's what I'm gonna get. How much is it? Yeah, $7.70. Yep. So I ran out of space on my arms, but I'm about to get some more snacks for her. She don't eat applesauce. We don't eat none of this. None. Oh my gosh, so good. So I got these. I got this. My little shopping cart, because I'm supposed to get one item. Y'all know how it is when you come in the store for one thing, right? Oh, she loved this. Let me get her some of these. And